Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. In today's video, I will be sharing how to make a family of planters using these waste plastic containers along with another idea of creating a funky planter. So let's get started and see the materials required. Make a marking on the bottle first. Using whiteboard marker helps us to wipe it easily in case of any mistake happens or if we want to change the marking. You don't have to discard the other part of the bottle. I have already made videos how to utilize them. I'll give the link in description box. You may please watch those videos. Now we'll paint the bottle using Fevicryl acrylic paint, adding little POP to it. When we mix two colors and make a new color, we may not get the same shade the next time. So better to mix the colors in a container, close the lid after the first coat, and you can use the same paint for the second coat. Apply the paint on the bottle using a brush. After applying the paint with brush, dab with sponge all over until the paint appears uniform. Give a second coat of painting after the first coat gets completely dried. Before going ahead, apply 2 coats of varnish on the bottle. Here I am using white M-Seal to make the facial parts. Before sticking the facial parts on the bottle, smoothen them well using any talcum powder. As you can see, the shape of the bottle is round, not flat. Remember to stick the parts on the bottle before they become hard. Once they become hard, they will not bend and stick to the bottle. After sticking mustache and mouth, time to make a beard, as we are making a man's face. Here I am already having a jute rope with me. I am using it. You can use any thread available at home. Before sticking the facial parts on the bottle, apply 2 coats of varnish to make it waterproof. After sticking the parts, it may not be convenient to apply varnish. Here, as we are making the woman, you may notice little difference in the shape of the lips. Here we will add a nose ring. For that, take any metal wire and add beads to it. Press it to the nose before M-seal becomes hard and adjust to stay in the place. Now we will make a different and little funky planter which might be interesting for kids. After applying 2 coats of paint, apply 2 coats of varnish to make it waterproof. Now the family of planters is ready with us. Let's give them some hair which is missing. You can place a container with plants which grow in water like money plant. This is one way of displaying. Another way of displaying the planters is you can place containers with plants which are growing in soil. You can always grow plants in every possible plastic container. Here I am placing asparagus fern growing in yogurt container. Similarly, you can place different plants in different containers. The name of this plant is baby's tears. You can propagate this plant very easily in smallest container also. Name of this plant is Epicea. It gives nice red color flowers. And finally, the name of this plant is Sansevieria and growing in lickables container. Place some pebbles inside the bottle to make it stable, as all the weight of the M-seal is on one side of the bottle. Also, you can use it as a pen stand other than using it as a planter. Another way of using this planter is placing some water grown plants inside this. You can place plants which grow in soil also. For that, make holes at the bottom of the bottle and make hole at the back of the bottle to hang it on the wall. Drop some pebbles into the bottle first. This is for the water to drain well. Add some soil on top of it and then The final step is transferring the plant into the bottle. This is how you can water the plant in an easy way. As I mentioned earlier, this is how you can hang it on the wall and make it as a beautiful decor. So here is the family of planters, and this is the funky planter. You can make these planters in no time with things easily available at home, other than this M-seal and the jute lace, which you get it locally very easily. This is what Art Around House is all about. If you liked the video and found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Link is in the description below. Thank you.